I'm Jatir, and it's my pleasure to welcome you all to today's debate competition. With an honor to be your debate. Debate is not just about winning, it's about proving a point. Debate is not just about winning, it's about teamwork and challenging each other's perspective. We are privileged to witness and engaging and thought prevailing exchange of ideas as our debaters are here to handle the topic. The first team of the debaters are going to debate on the topic whether academic excellence is the key to a successful career or not. We are fortunate to have a platform that enables to celebrate the intellectual discourse and respectful disagreement. Respectful judges, thank you for your time and wisdom. Your feedback and guidance. Your feedback and guidance will boost the debaters to grow and refine their skills. And my debater friends, remember, this is not just about proving a point, but about enabling the critical thinking and inspiring a thought. And my friends out there, let's listen, learn, and engage ourselves with open minds. Let's make today a celebration of ideas, respect, and human connection. Let the debate begin.
We're going to start with the speeches. Judges, be ready. The speech round begins. Every child will speak for 1 or maybe 1 or 10 seconds, not more than that. So let us begin with the rounds. Against, you can start your speech.
They say the goal of education is to raise the leaders of tomorrow. But my question is, how is that most of the leaders of today happen to be college dropouts? It is because having degree is not the only requirement for a successful career. First of all, the definition of success varies from person to person. For some people, being rich is success, while for some, following their passion is success. But being successful just by being good at the academics is a herd mentality, because no academic studies provides you a 100% guarantee of your successful career. If it was the case, then the resume of a job application must have had the performance of your academics only. But it is not so, because social, cultural, physical, as well as financial aspects are as equally important as the academic need of a person. So, just having knowledge about a particular thing is of no use until you have skills to implement it. So, no doubt, academic excellence is not the only requirement for a successful career. Thank you.
Do you know 48.3% of engineering graduates and 42% of overall graduates remain unemployed in India annually? What difference is the employed ones are having from those unemployed ones? It is their passion, personality, etiquettes and work ethics which is outshining them among the others, and they are having more successful career than others. Over Thomas Edison, Henry Ford and Mark Zuckerberg are such pioneers who lack formal education yet has pursued a successful career through their innovation and determination. Overall, talking about success, it is not only having academic qualification or degrees, but it is overall development, which is what carves a man into a perfectionist. Some people, even after getting degrees, are not even able to pursue a successful career because they lack a part of intelligence which is not provided to them by their academic journey. And when we ask those people about their bookish knowledge, they would tell you everything. But when asked about how to implement it, they would fail to do so. Therefore, I would like to say that do not only focus on academic qualification but also on overall development of people. As it is said, education might provide a good employee but not necessarily a good employer. Thank you.
I am against the motion that academic excellence is the only required skill for a successful career. So let's explore the key points where success thrives beyond academics. In business, practical skills like innovation and leadership often outweigh academic credentials. Entrepreneurs succeed through creativity, risk-taking and persistence rather than the academic education alone. In fields like acting, music and design, talent and passion matters more than the academic achievements. Many successful artists raise to the top through their creativity and dedication, not through their academic education. In tech and digital fields, the innovation and adaptability take precedence over degree. So, in conclusion, I would like to tell that while education is provides a foundation, it does not provide a key to success. Thank you.
We have been conditioned that academic excellence is the only way to get success in one's life, but it's not. Success in today's life is much broader than earlier times. Success is influenced by skills of practical knowledge, experiences which go far beyond the classrooms. Take for instance, in the field of business, many businessmen like Steve Jobs, Richard Branson, who are not that much educated but are successful in their life. Steve Jobs' company, Apple, have a market of $3.05 trillion. In the field of art and entertainment, many actors like Leonardo DiCaprio, commonly known as Jack of Titanic fame, was not that much educated but is successful in his life. So, education is not only thing to get success in one's life. Furthermore, in the field of digital marketing, skills like problem solving, innovations and coding are more than academic excellence. Companies like Google and Apple often prioritize these skills over education while hiring their posts. Thank you.
Do you think that academic excellence is the only requirement for successful career? Academic excellence is a dole of career, not the whole career. Everyone has a different perspective on success. For me, success is that people experiencing changes. If I am able to claim only few achievements, then for me, it is not a success. Everyone achieving success is not a piece of cake. Problems will be there. Academics teaches you to read and write but not to face problems or life skills. Let's take some real life examples of famous entrepreneurs and sports persons who are successful without graduating. Dhirubhai Ambani became a very successful businessman without graduating. He went Yemen and started working as a petrol pump attendant. He had cravings for trading, so on the street of Yemen, he learned the art of trading. LeBron James also became a very successful basketball player without pursuing his degree. He is a 4-time NBA winner. Nike has signed a lifetime contract of $32 million with him as he became a pro in basketball. Concluding as having skills is more important than academics. One can achieve success without a degree also. Patience, persistence and perspiration makes an unbeatable combination for success. Thank you.
Today, I stand firmly against the motion academic excellence is the only requirement to be successful. Success is not merely a collection of high grades or degrees. It encompasses personal fulfillment, professional achievements, and the ability to navigate complexities of life. One of the most critical life skills is effective communication. Whether you are leading a team, negotiating a deal, or simply connecting with the peers, strong communication skills open the doors that academic excellence cannot. Let us take some real-world examples. Consider the story of J.K. Rowling, author of the Harry Potter series. Her academic credentials were not what propelled her to success. It was her creativity, determination, and the ability to navigate adversity what led her to her eventual triumph. Those who learn from their failure and persevere are often the ones who achieve long-term success. In conclusion, I would like to embrace a more holistic view of success. One that values not only academic achievements but also the essential life skills that empower us to thrive. Thank you.
Let's be honest, the world is changing fast. Academic excellence no longer guarantees success. We see countless graduates struggling to find jobs, while various freelancers and dropshippers are thriving. Why? Because freelancing and dropshipping focuses on real-world skills, adaptability, and entrepreneurship, not just theory. Various studies show that about majority of freelancers are successful, and 80% of freelancers are able to find and secure work. While among the 2.71 billion online shoppers, 23% of online orders were through dropshipping, and 27% of online retailers have shifted to the dropshipping model. Now, moreover, academic excellence often feels outdated. It prefers memorization and tests over practical skills and experience. Thus, I would like to conclude by saying that it is high time that we value our practical experience and modern skill sets over the outdated degrees. Thank you.
Arguing against the topic, academic excellence is the only way for a successful career. Thus, there is something to be kept in mind, and that is the significance of the word only embraced in the topic. So, moving on, academic excellence is not the only way for a successful career. It depends on how one interprets and apply the goal of success in his life, and he needs to be physically, mentally, and emotionally stable to achieve his success. So, he needs to work on his oratory skills, general knowledge, educational knowledge, practical knowledge, and about almost all the external knowledges about regarding his field, which will make him perfect. So, and there are various personalities which show this achievement to a great extent. And as my fellow debaters have already talked about that, I would like to talk about some movies. So, movies like Three Idiots, Good Will Hunting, and Red Poet Society. These are the movies that that tells us about importance of practical knowledges rather than just that degrees or marked up knowledges. So overall, I would just like to suggest that focus on overall development of yourself and not on just the degrees for a perfect and successful career. So it is your overall development and your skills that shapes your future and carve out you into perfection. Thank you.
Hello. Success is a subjective and individualized concept that varies for every person, right? It can be held in many views, including one, by achieving goals. Success can be defined as how we aim to achieve our goal and how we develop our mindset towards it. Second, self-determination. Success can be defined as the ability to decide what we want to do with our life and how we aim to achieve it. We try even though we fail. Third, being creative. Creativity is one of the essential requirements which gives us thrive for success. Creativity in the field of art, music, literature, sports gives us a big exposure to success. Right? Fourth, possessing the attributes of good human beings. Kindness is a language that a deaf can hear and a blind can see. Sometimes in the course of academic excellence, we forget to improvise the good attributes of a good human being. Let us take an example. Maharashtra's former Chief Minister Vasantdada Patil, he studied till 4th standard only, though he organized many sugar rewards and held up very much irrigation facilities for the poor farmers, which made them very rich. And he was also awarded Padma Bhushan Award. This, by just having good human attributes, made him successful. So in the end, I would like to conclude that success is often defined as who we are, what we believe in. For some, success is money. For others, it's their family, it's their passion, it's their creativity. Thank you.
Well done, my young orators. And now we move on to our group. Let's begin their speeches.
I would like to start this speech with a quote by Elon Musk that says, "An investment in knowledge pays the best interest." Hello and a very good morning to you all. I am Ellie Shingala, and for about 13.5 billion years, I may have not existed, but now I do. So here's what I want to discuss with you. A topic which is crucial to our own personal and professional growth. Educational excellence. Educational excellence is an idea that something is actually good in terms of education. Something is actually good in terms of education. It can mean different things to different people, but it generally involves qualitative learning which meets high standards and offers adequate resources. Education is the development of an individual's mind, body, and character. It is the only way that leads you to success. Success is reaching a certain level of stability and achievements. Sorry about that. Success is reaching a certain level of stability and achievements. Without it can only lead you to esteem in this highly competitive environment. I agree. The roots of education are bitter, but the fruit is sweeter. Imagine being in a room full of people and the most respected person there is you because you are educationally excellent. For me, it would be an infinite aura moment and a little bit struggle for that is totally worth it. They say that education is the key to success in life, and I firmly believe that this is indeed the case. In conclusion, I would just like to say that without education, our lives are a little incomplete. We are just driven by forces, emotional thoughts, and we are just able to do the things which we learn by our day-to-day experiences. So it is must for an individual to succeed in life. Thank you.